Our newest listing is just a 5 minutes walk from Barrie's best amenity. Of course, I'm talking about Kempenfelt Bay and the shores of Lake Simcoe.
And if that 5-minute walk downtown's a little too much for you, how about 10 steps out your backyard and you've got your very own body of water? We've got this incredible backyard and more all in today's episode.
Now guys, the old adage in real estate, location, 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 always holds true. And our newest listing at 75 Owen Street is located right in the heart of the city of Barrie and close to absolutely the best the city has to offer. Now it starts with the proximity to Kempenfelt Bay and Centennial Beach, which is in behind us here, and it is an absolutely incredible backdrop. We got the North Shore Trail with miles and miles of hiking not far from here either. Plus, you're just a short 5-minute walk into downtown Barrie. Some of our best shops and restaurants. If you want fine dining, you have Bayview Variety and 147. Or if you want to grab that perfect cup of coffee in the morning and some fresh bread, you can check out Homestead Bakery, among many others. This location cannot be beat.
Now, do you know what pairs beautifully with a great location? Is an incredible one-of-a-kind century home, and that's what we've got for you here today. This home has not only been restored, but also meticulously maintained, and you notice it from the second you walk up. Now let's talk about quality of construction for a moment here. This home's been here for over 100 years. That's called standing the test of time, and you won't find many homes like it. And I can assure you, you'll be taken from the moment you walk up. The curb appeal is spectacular, the landscaping on point, and it all starts right here on this magnificent covered front porch. You'll truly feel the character and charm of this home, but I assure you this is just the start. Let's head inside and check out the rest.
Welcome inside 75 Owen Street. Now the charm and character of this incredible one-of-a-kind home strikes you from the moment you walk in the front door, and it starts with some of the elements that the current owners have worked so hard to preserve. I'm talking about the original hardwood flooring, the 10-inch baseboards, and the original molding, not to mention these incredible interior doors with original hardware. I can tell you this stuff is almost impossible to find these days, and when you do, it's certainly not in this good condition. But something else that strikes me about this property when I walk in is the sheer size of it. Sometimes in older housing, you have to sacrifice a little bit on square footage. Well, that's not an issue here whatsoever. At nearly 2,300 square feet above grade, you have very large principal rooms. Now this floor is highlighted by 9-foot ceilings and an oversized window package, but we're also talking about some of those natural elements that the owners have worked so hard to preserve. Check out these pocket doors in behind me, separating this incredible living room from the dining space.
Now, we all love the traditional elements that come with a home of this vintage, but let's be honest, when it comes to the kitchen, it's the more modern updates that we're after, and they've done a beautiful job with renovating this space. From the quartz countertops to the tile backsplash, this incredible ceiling detail, plus you got the gas range that's gonna make entertaining in this space an absolute breeze. It's all rounded out with an incredible window package, a 2-piece bath, plus entry into an incredible lower level space, which we're gonna get to in a bit. But before we go there, let's head upstairs.
Now here we are at the top of the second floor landing, and it's a bit of a choose your own adventure up here. You have 2 terrific sized bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, not to mention second floor laundry, which used to be a bedroom and could easily be converted back. You have room for a home office on this level. Plus, this space in behind me here is currently being used as a yoga room and has access to an absolutely massive 2nd-story balcony.
rest assured, the adventure doesn't stop on the second level. As you take that solid wood staircase up to the third level, you're gonna appreciate the spectacular wall detail that all leads you right here to the primary suite. And let me assure you, this is not a 1900s size bedroom. It is massive in size. We've got not one, but two walk-in closets that we know you're gonna love. In addition to that, my favorite part, it is absolute privacy here on the third level.
Now there's plenty more to show you about the interior of this incredible home, but before we get inside, I want to highlight this. This is a separate side entrance from one of the two driveways on this property, and we all know today, not only can people use the ability to generate some extra rent to help pay the mortgage, but also we have larger families who are looking to house in-laws. This is the absolute perfect opportunity for that, with a separate side entry into a finished basement.
This lower level's been incredibly well finished, as you'd expect with the rest of the home, and it's got every feature on your basement must-have list. It starts with the wet bar into the games room that flows into the rec room area. In addition to that, we've got a 3-piece bath and a ton of storage. But as Adam mentioned, if you're looking for that mortgage helper and want to put an in-law suite down below, very easy to convert this over and you'll be up and running in no time.
Now guys, as amazing as the inside of this home is, I truly feel it is overshadowed by how incredible this backyard is. And it starts with the absolutely tremendous lot size. We're 50 by 165 foot deep here, fully fenced, and the privacy is absolutely outstanding back here. Now, you've heard the term backyard oasis thrown around quite a bit. Well, I challenge you to find a better one than this. Get your checklist out and let's look at some of the highlights.
Do you need a space for barbecuing, for entertaining, and for dining outdoors? How about this incredible newly constructed deck complete with a pergola? Check.
How about a cozy spot to warm yourself on those chilly fall and summer evenings? Check.
How about a heated, saltwater, kidney-shaped in-ground pool? That's a big old check.
If there's a heated pool, I need a place to serve a couple of cervezas. Poolside cabana? Check.
How about your very own space to sit back and relax with peace and tranquility? A little break from the kids and the craziness in the pool that's complete with its very own fish pond and a waterfall? You guessed it, check.
An oversized garden shed and these spectacular perennial gardens and turf, which I might add are incredibly low maintenance. That's a double check.
And a hot tub, you guessed it, check.
And not just one,
but two private driveways, this one including an oversized single car garage, not to mention enough parking to accommodate up to 8 vehicles. That's a check, check, and a big old check.
Now guys, with the 8-foot privacy fences and surrounded by the mature trees, the true beauty of this backyard cannot be overstated. It does have to be seen in person, but it also solidifies what I said earlier, that this is a truly irreplaceable piece of real estate.
And we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.